What's going on YouTube? Michael here from 3D Print Everything, and today we are going to talk about a really good community that you can go to if you're interested in making money with your 3D printers. Or you might already be making money with your 3D printer and you just want to go to a group and show off some of what you're doing, share some of your insight, maybe pick up on some things. But this is a group I started a while back, and I've talked about it on this YouTube before, but I think I only mentioned it in passing, and I haven't done a YouTube video dedicated to it. So I'm just going to talk briefly about it. I created this page intentionally because I had joined another 3D Print for Profit group, and what was it? After making a post and getting a whole lot of hate, people started literally negatively reviewing my business over a post that didn't deserve it. And I had many people message me saying, hey, I'm sorry, this group has ruined my business. I had to start all over again. This group is very toxic. You need to be careful what you post. Even posting that you're making money will cause you a target because you're looked at as competition. And I was really discouraged by that. Still, one of those reviews is on my Google business page. So I wanted to create a community that would not be hostile to each other. There is so many things to 3D print. 3D printing touches every single industry that it is not saturated to the point that we can't all get along. Even at 15,000 members, not all 15,000 members are 3D print shops. Not all 15,000 members make money with their 3D printers. Probably more than 3/4 of the people I add have probably never made a dime off 3D printing, or at least haven't broken even from their filament and printer cost. And that's okay, because that's what this group is about, is you can come here and get some ideas and get a better sense of how to do business. That's what this group is about. So this group isn't necessarily for brand new people with a 3D printer. If you have absolutely no knowledge on how to use a 3D printer, I don't recommend this group to you. This is for someone who is competent, that if someone says, hey, I want you to print, Obama's head. I want you to print a sword. I want you to print a gun part. I want you to print, a hand. You would have no problems either figuring out how to do that or getting it done. This is definitely for people who are ready to make a profit. So, not a group for people who are new. This means if you're new, you should go find a newbie-friendly printer. This is also not a 3D model group. If you're watching this video and you only make 3D models and sell them, please do not come to my group and try to sell models here. This is not what this is for. This is to help people. So I just made this post here. Do you make money with 3D printing now? Never made a penny. So people will start filling this out shortly. I literally just posted this. This was kind of cool. So I definitely keep the spam down. I monitor this. I'm the admin and creator. Sometimes stuff like this might be spam, but these are actually good examples of, if you watch what he did here, he's got good videos of how he's either time-lapsing or stopping the video in the middle of him recording, cutting it, and creating a nice product. So stuff like this can still be useful. You'll have people asking about certain jobs. It has people created poker chips. This guy, I'm not sure what that one is. He might just be, I'm okay with show-off prints, and that looks kind of cool. He's showing it off, so I wouldn't immediately yoink that. It at least has a like. Occasionally I'll let some deals come up here, but I don't let companies, if someone else, like this guy, doesn't work for these, he's just saying like, hey, check this out, you can get a deal. That's kind of okay. But I want to make sure that it's not ads, and this is kind of cool. He made a shotgun device, although it leaks a little bit, but still kind of cool. So a couple more semi ads there, but you'll see, this is this guy showing off, which is totally cool. And look at the size of that thing. That is awesome looking. So yeah, I just want to put this out here. If you have questions about 3D printing, look, this guy's doing a university project, and he was talking about printers failing, and that print right there, I mean, look at that. That is impressive. So yeah, definitely check this out. This was me posting about doing an image generation thing and how it was looking at 3D printing and whatnot, sharing these, but he thinks he looks good. I mean, that's a clean looking print right there. But yeah, and see, this guy's like, so this guy, this Aaron Harper, he's one to follow, but his 3D printer, if you can't tell, this is like a ginormous 3D printer. Like, that's like a 2-inch stick of tape right there. Those are like 4-inch brush strokes. He's built, this is like a 15-foot printer, so it's pretty cool project to watch him kind of finish this one up. But anyways, guys, yeah, so come here, ask some questions on on see it like this, I mean, like, this is cool, but see, it's available on Cults. Like, I would probably remove this one. Don't just come in here and post models and try to no spam, no promotional. There we go. But anyways, I'm gonna keep it pretty active in here. We've got a lot of members, we got a lot of stuff. Just post your questions. Feel free to join if you're ready to start making money and you're curious on how to do it. I'm also going to do some videos after this about making money specifically, and they'll be short and quick, so look out for those too. Thanks guys, and have a good day.